Well, it's another drizzly day and it's another supermarket run. And today is the FA Cup final day and the Eurovision Song Contest day, so that's good. Oh, yes, I've been to the supermarket and got my provisions, and it's raining. A gentle drizzle, but it's not really that bad, except that when you go down the hill, and there is a steep hill that I reach about 30 miles an hour down. When you go downhill, the rain hits you in the face. But I survived, and it's it's another day. And today, as I think I said earlier, is the Eurovision Song Contest, which I'm not sure I really like. In fact, I don't think I do particularly like most of the songs, but it gave, once upon a time, it gave us ABBA, and they were, and I think they were very good. Anyway, that's enough for today. I'm going to get in out of the rain.